introduces QR code textbooks to tackle high dropout rates, says Education Minister Rakam Sangma. TMC MLA slams government over prolonged power cuts in Garo Hills. MBO's HSSLC 2025 results declared, top performers shine. And East Khasi Hills gears up for monsoon preparedness. The news in detail. Education Minister Rakam Sangma acknowledged high dropout rates at the secondary level, citing multiple causes such as tough exams, poor concept clarity, and lack of quality teaching. To address this, the government has introduced QR code-enabled textbooks for mathematics and science to support students in difficult subjects. He added that this year's SSLC pass percentage stood at 87% and commended ICSE students for their strong performance. He emphasized the government's continued efforts to tackle academic and infrastructural challenges affecting student retention.
So most of these students are dropped out because they could not clear the SSLC exam for the various reasons. Maybe they have that they are not well versed with the concept of the chapters of the topic and all. So maybe the question was very tough. I don't know, for all these reasons. And there is no schools. There is no good experienced teacher in the rural. There are many in the rural. For example, in many rural schools, they don't have a good experienced science teacher, science English teacher, math teacher. Therefore, knowing about the challenges, we have introduced the QR code contained textbook for mathematics and science to supplement them. And so, but this year we have got 87% on the first percentage.
Opposition TMC MLA from Rajabala, Mizanur Rahman Qazi, has criticized the Meghalaya government's portrayal of the state's power situation, highlighting several power outages in rural Garo Hills, some lasting up to 6 days. He said the outages have crippled daily life, with farmers unable to irrigate crops, students forced to study in darkness, and small industries shutting down. Despite raising the issue with the district administration and Power Minister A.T. Mondo, Qazi claimed no action has been taken, leaving residents to suffer.
I remember that Honorable Power Minister had asserted that there is much improvement in power system in the state. And there is no scheduled power cut, something like that. A lot of things he told, but on ground, except the urban areas, rural area, there is no change at all. We are having both scheduled and unscheduled power cuts throughout the day. Not even a single day is there when we get full-fledged power supply in the area.
The Meghalaya Board of School Education declared the HSSLC 2025 results today, with 29,278 students appearing for the exams held from February 18th to March 19th. The pass percentage stood at 82.05% for arts, 82.94% for science, and 81.28% for commerce, and 85% for vocational. Laban Bengali Boys High Secondary School topped the science stream, with Saptarshi Bhattacharjee leading the merit list at 483 marks, marking the school's 4th top rank in science. Debojit Malakar at 5th and Gaurav Das at 8th position also made the top 10. In commerce, St. Anthony's High Secondary School claimed the top spot, with Disha Chokhani securing 1st rank. Vanla Chwangi at 6th, Animesh Pial at 8th, and Nandini Kumari at 9th positions also featured in the top 10. In the arts stream, Ida Wanpli Shisha Swear from St. Edmund's High Secondary School secured the 1st position. She thanked her teachers, family and friends for the support and aims to pursue the UPSC examination in the future.
It's just that still now I can't even digest it. It's a surreal moment for me. I'm just, in a euphoric state. I don't have words actually to describe it. I never had a routine actually. Okay? My only thing was to be sincere. That's it. Be sincere and be consistent. That's it. That what moved me through this and kept fueling me.
Jing pin krek ka ngam the buat hanya ka study schedule namar ba gidan ki jing ja ting ting apang shitam te hendre ngayang minot along consistent and I put in my hard work so tangatahi jing ngayang minot.
With the monsoon approaching, East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner R.M. Kurba has directed the Forest Department to identify and address weak and hazardous trees across Shillong. The Forest Office has been asked to expedite inspections and submit an action taken report with all tree cutting to follow High Court guidelines. In view of World Environment Day, the administration urged planting of climate resilient species and discouraged unsuitable trees in urban spaces. Locality heads have also been instructed to inspect and clean drainage systems to prevent flooding as part of a coordinated pre-monsoon effort.
It was during the month of Feb that we had written to Forest Department that territorial. So we have written to DFO territorial to kindly have a review, do a recce of the entire city and identify where there's a weak tree or we all trees are not strong, right? There are weak species also. Identify those weak ones and those are endangering the life. And as we know, like every year there's always this falling of tree incidents, so we have done that. And then yes, we've called for a report from the DFO to identify those trees and to take necessary action.
In the Embos HSSLC results announced today, St. Anthony's High Secondary School secured the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 6th, 7th and 9th positions in the science stream but failed to surpass Laban Bengali boys once again. Top scorers Drishana Roy Chaudhary and Shweta Sharma expressed surprise at their ranks, crediting focused preparation and focusing on difficult subjects. In the arts stream, Josephine, who aimed for just 60%, exceeded expectations and secured a top 10 spot, thanking God for her success.
Drishana Roy Chaudhary and I have received the 2nd rank in the HSSLC Embos examination in 2025.
Hello everyone, my name is Shweta Sharma and I have secured the 3rd position in HSSLC exam 2025.
So how was the exams?
I was not expecting this good a result, but it was okay. Yeah.
I was quite surprised to see my name, but it really feels good. I did not expect such good results, but yeah, I expected to be in top 10, but I did not expect top 3.
What about you?
I was even doubtful about top 10 once, so yeah, it's very unexpected.
St. Paul's High Secondary School, Nongpo, celebrated the success of Nellie Mary Kimdet, who secured the 2nd position in the HSSLC Arts stream with an impressive 451 out of 500 marks. Nellie from Sidon Village earned distinctions in English, Khasi, Sociology, Education, Home Science and Political Science. A felicitation ceremony was held at the school to honor her achievement. Headmistress Sister Angelina C.H. Marak expressed pride in Nellie's success, calling it an inspiration for other students. North Liberty High Secondary School from West Jaintia Hills secured 2 positions in the top 10 of the science stream, with Risa E. Christine Sutting ranking 5th, securing 461 marks, and Rila Naika Sari at 9th with 452 marks. In the commerce stream, Sophia Niang from Government Girls Higher Secondary School achieved 6th position despite being listed as a regular 2 candidate.
2 months before the exam, I was taking my exams very seriously, so many sleepless nights, and early morning I started studying. And without
I have doubted myself many times, but my teachers have helped me. My friends, my family have supported me, and most importantly, God has never left me. And throughout this journey, He has always been there with me. And I want to encourage each and every student out there to work hard and never stop believing and never stop having faith in God. That's all I'd say.
In the MBOS HSSLC 2025 declared today, Neef Sharma from Don Bosco College High Secondary Section, Tura, secured 4th rank in the arts stream with 448 marks, while Samridhya Das secured 10th rank in the science stream with 450 marks. Samridhya encouraged peers to focus on quality study over long hours. Both students were felicitated by the college in the presence of their parents, Principal Dr. Father Jogesh B. Sangma and faculty.
My result was 448 marks total. From art stream, I stood in the 4th position in the whole of Meghalaya. Grateful and filled with gratitude that I got this opportunity and that I scored this much.
The Hinyo-Trep Border Dispute Redressal Forum held a rally and public meeting in Jowai to highlight ongoing border issues between Meghalaya and Assam. Thousands, including villagers and NGOs, participated in the march from Kyang Nangba College to the District Library Auditorium in Minthong. HBDRF Chairman Chanda Mesungo stressed on the need for collective efforts to protect the rights of border residents. Sungo said that the objective of the meeting was to raise awareness and push for a united stand on unresolved border issues.
Ensure justice and development in border area. Namar ko malong menta niyo iba kibreu jungi ke song ke basa site man ka por ke sya pendik hakiwe pat ke ken honjai benreu. Te kakta ya rep ya riang jongki kakta ya kamai ka ji ke jongki kakta ya lek ke wan ke jongki bat ki du no ya kata ka hok long beriman breu de de ne ka daw ni penlong ya negara li ban pen sngew ka sarkar nengkong sarkar Meghalaya sarkar Assam hiru bat wat ka sarkar India ru ban pen yo ya kata ka hok long beriman breu bat ka roy ka par hagini ke jaka kaput bat ka baar retransfer block 1 and block 2 from Assam to Meghalaya. Kemudian ban ditransfer no ya ke Assam ya ke blok 1 blok 2 na ke jela Assam sya ke jela Meghalaya.
Riboy police seized 101 litres of petrol and 84 litres of diesel from a shop in Quinine allegedly stored for illegal sale. The shop, owned by Omiwel Marbinyang of Shang Bangla, is suspected of dealing in stolen fuel. Legal action is underway and petrol pumps have been warned against selling fuel in containers due to security risks. Now the weather report. In Tura, the minimum temperature stands at 23 degrees Celsius with the maximum temperature at 30 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 83%. Moving on to Shillong, the minimum temperature recorded was 14 degrees Celsius, the maximum temperature 26.8 degrees Celsius, the relative humidity is 94%, and the rainfall recorded was 26.8 millimeters. Lastly, in Jowai, the minimum temperature stands at 16 degrees Celsius, the maximum temperature at 24 degrees Celsius, the relative humidity is 85%. And the forecast in Tura is partly cloudy with haze, while at Shillong and Jowai, light to moderate rain is likely at few places. Before we conclude, a recap of the headlines. Government introduces QR code textbooks to tackle high dropout rates, says Education Minister Rakam Sangma. TMC MLA slams government over prolonged power cuts in Garo Hills. Embo's HSSLC 2025 results declared, top performers shine. And East Khasi Hills gears up for monsoon preparedness. Dear viewers, with that we come to the end of the news bulletin. Do join us tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Until then, good night.